Hi there, Steve V from SV Software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin contacts for your text messages. Okay, so let's first go into my text messages, and then I'm going to add my wife Pam as I'm going to pin her and to the top of the messages as a pinned contact. So you just hold down any of the messages that the person you want to pin that has sent to you, and you select the pin. And so what you'll see, she goes to the very top. And what's cool about this, so if I ever want to see her messages, if I scroll around or whatever, all I have to do is scroll to the very top of the window and she'll be right there. Now I can add other friends or contacts that I want to add in also by doing the exact same thing. And if I want to remove a contact from the top as a pin, you would just hold it down, okay, and then actually select unpin. Okay, and there it goes. Now it's off. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions, just type it below and I'll get right back to you. Thanks.